So you say you love Haiti and you want to see the country succeed. Well, taking the current state of the country, would you be willing to voluntarily contribute 1% of your earnings for the next 3 years into a fund to help rebuild the country? And what would be your requirements for contributing? Tune in this Tuesday on Color of Hope to give us your opinion. In the meantime, you can send us your comments to colorofhope@telelakhaitv.com or call 561-623-9508 and leave us your thoughts. Also, last week we asked the question, if you were given $1 million to spend in Haiti, what would you spend it on? We will continue this conversation and more.
Color of Hope can be heard Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on telelakhaitv.com.